going on, Amazon? I am here shouting out this incredible mattress. I'm getting this thing unboxed, and I figured, you know what? Why don't I show you guys exactly what this mattress looks like when it is all done and all aired out. So, as you can tell, I got it out of the box, but now, and this is the power of these, how they seal these mattresses. As you guys can see, as I cut this thing open, it's just gonna fully just air out. Like, I mean, it's just so fast. So that's really nice to know. If you guys are looking for a mattress that you can then use like literally later on today, this one from, I don't even know where we got this from. This is Unwind in Style. I don't know if this is the brand name or not, but y'all, this thing feels comfortable. I'm just gonna tell you. So we're gonna get this thing out really quick. Take this all off. Oh yeah, guys, this is a great mattress. So again, I'm gonna move this out of the way here. Now I got this twin because I am getting this for a relative of mine. Throw this out of the way. And this thing feels so comfortable. So a couple of things, right? Number one, you've got the ability to do, this thing is fully memory foam, right? So it's all memory, and y'all, this thing feels so comfy. The nice thing is that this isn't even fully like done. This isn't aired out all the way, right? This isn't like ready to go. But what's also nice is, whoo, I'm out of breath, y'all. This thing is fun to unbox. On the bottom of this, if you guys can see, it has a nice cover right here, right? So you can take this whole cover off. This is machine washable. So if you have an oopsie doopsie with a young one, right? And you need to get this thing all clean, good to go. You take this sheet off and this mattress stays nice. So ideally, that's the goal, right? Is to keep this to where if there's spills, if there's accidents, if there's whatever that happens with this bed, you just take this cover off, and the mattress itself, right? The memory foam, this is why, you know, memory foam is so nice. You get to keep the memory foam all together. So guys, I will be doing a lay test of this a little bit later, but overall, I'm super happy with this. Guys, this memory foam is feeling super nice. I love the finish on this mattress itself. So on this side, you've got really nice lineage throughout the whole thing. This is gonna be a part of the actual cover itself. Looks really great. I highly recommend if you guys are looking for a mattress, definitely do this. Like I said, I did the twin, but they've got full, queen, California king, whatever you need, they've got it. And this thing feels really comfortable. And like I said, I think within the next couple of hours, this thing's gonna be fully aired out, ready to go, ready to be slept on. So that's nice to know. If you get it during the day, you could probably by that night be good to go, ready to sleep on it. So definitely recommend this product. Want to do an unboxing, show you guys exactly what it looks like. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping, and go live a comfortable mattress lifestyle. All right, see you guys, bye.